So, we are Big Mac with everything. The idea is not complicated, it's not innovative, it's not going to change the world. It's very basic, it should have happened a while ago. And it's an easy way to find and publish things that exist in the NHS. These are the kind of use cases we're thinking of. This kind of thing exists already, but it's done in very different ways for different kinds of things. And when it's done, it's not done particularly brilliantly. Defibrillators. If you want to find out defibrillator data, this is the only place we can find them. And it's not in any kind of open data format. No one seems to be responsible for collecting it or maintaining it. That's a bit of a problem. Next one. OpenStreetMap has thought about some of these problems. So there's a tag for different kinds of health entities, including defibrillators. And some people have tried to map some health stuff. So we decided to do that a bit better. Oh, and there's loads of data out there, but they're all in different formats, obviously, and they're not particularly accessible. And they're maintained by different people who publish those in different formats. So this is the concept. Should we go to the demo? Right, so this is a map. So, first of all, you allow it to see your location, you wait a second, and then it finds your local things. So at the moment we've got pharmacies, GP surgeries, clinics, defibrillators. We've also got a function where you click it, you click the thing on the find your nearest, and it locates your nearest one and it pops up. What else have we got? Go back to the main map. You can search in the search box for a location. It finds the location and gives you your nearest things. You can also do some routing. So if you click on one of them, it pops up with some info, get me there. It routes from your current location to that thing. So if you go to the entity page.
1 minute.
So for each thing, we want a standard way of showing what the thing's about, pulling in data from other places, and then at the bottom, publishing this data in standard formats, in an open way, in a consistent way. Go back to the presentation a second. How do we do this? We had a great team, fantastic team, front end and back end. We did some data wrangling with some tools. So this is the technology stack that we used. Next one, some tooling, much needed coffee as well. And this is our ideas for the next thing. So we've talked about this more in the questions maybe, but we've got some kind of basic things that we want to fix for the application, make it better, make it perform better, improve the data. And this came in right at the last minute. You can now add defibrillator data points through your phone. So through an iOS app, which you just hacked together in the last minutes of the hack.
Thank you very much.
That's it. Any questions?
Do you want to go back a slide or two to the things you do next, and maybe you can give a couple of examples of what would be the most exciting thing?
All right. So if we publish this data in machine readable formats, then things like Siri could be able to read it. Where's my nearest hospital? Siri could tell you. Start to think about maybe some design patterns and standard ways of displaying things across the NHS. So every single hack and every single service doesn't need to reinvent the wheel several times over. Defining standards for common registries across the NHS. These things exist. So if the GMC has a registry of all people who are registered to practice medicine. But is that accessible? Is it published in the same format as the hospital data? Of course it's not. So yeah, those are kind of big thinking things. Then some of the basic things are, can we add more data types? Can we filter by data? So can you show me only GP surgeries that are open to new applications? That kind of thing.
Thank you very much.
You had search by place, you demonstrated that, didn't you?
Sorry?
You demonstrated search by place.
We did search by place, but can you search by place and then filter by only surgeries that are open to new registration? So that kind of thing.
Thank you.
Thank you.